4 তারিখ 12টার পরে কোন জল্লাদের কত ক্ষমতা আর কার দিল্লির বাবা কাকে বাঁচাতে আসে আমি 4 তারিখ দেখব।
যারা গরম গরম বক্তব্য দিয়েছিল যে 4 তারিখের পরে দিল্লির কোনো ভাব রক্ষা করতে পারবে না, সেটাই তারা দেখিয়ে দিল। পুরো তৃণমূলেরই সাজানো গল্প।
चंद्रकांत रात को मुक्ति करने के लिए एक ही वजह है, वो बीजेपी का शुभेंदु अधिकारी का एग्जीक्यूटिव असिस्टेंट है। और शुभेंदु ने हाल ही जो चुनाव हुआ नतीजा आया, भवानीपुर में ममता बनर्जी को हराया।
स्ट्रॉन्गेस्ट पॉसिबल एक्शन लिया जाए, इंक्लूडिंग ए कोर्ट मॉनिटर्ड सीबीआई इन्वेस्टिगेशन।
ये जिम्मेदारी किसकी है? इलेक्शन कमीशन, देश के होम मिनिस्टर। तो उन्होंने ये कहा था कि हम लाखों सेंट्रल फोर्स भेजी है, सुनने में आया 3 लाख से ज्यादा।
Now, speaking of the murder case that has now been reported, because it's not even 24 hours before West Bengal's first BJP chief minister takes oath, and the state has been rocked by this chilling midnight assassination. Shubhendu Adhikari's closest aide, Chandranath Rath, a former Air Force veteran, a quiet backroom operator, and a man fiercely loyal to Shubhendu Adhikari, was gunned down just meters away from his home. Police suspect that he was tracked for days before the attack. A silver car that blocked his SUV, after which there were certain bike-borne shooters that emerged from the darkness and fired multiple rounds, a point-blank range, and vanished into the night. Bullets that ripped through the windows of his car tore his chest and fatally damaged his heart as well. The killers are still reported to be at large. The BJP is calling this as a revenge assassination. You heard that coming from Shubhendu Adhikari, claiming that Chandranath, his closest aide, his personal assistant, was targeted and killed because he stood beside the man who defeated Mamata Banerjee from Bhawanipur. Now, Chandranath Rath's grieving mother, has now invoked a pre-poll threat made by top TMC leaders. She believes that the TMC orchestrated her son's killing. Let's connect with Rajesh on this. Rajesh, what are we now looking at as far as from the investigative point of view?
See, 3 people are being questioned by the seat. A seat was formed by West Bengal Police and a IG rank officer is heading the seat. Initially, that charge of investigation was handed over to Bengal CID from local police station, given the fact and gravity of the incident, following which ADG CID, the CID chief, Supratim Sarkar, had visited the place of occurrence, as well as he also examined each and every evidence, whatever were found from the place of occurrence, following which a 3-seat special investigation team was formed by West Bengal Police top cop DG Siddhinath Gupta. And IG rank officer is right now heading the seat, and a special task force, the STF of West Bengal Police, is also assisting the seat of CID, and there are members from IB, STF and CID in the team of a special investigation team. So 3 people have been detained for questioning purpose. Police sources said that these 3 people were identified as suspect, and they are now questioning. Police is trying to find the link with them, with the incidents. So they are now being questioned, but no one have been arrested so far. Police is scrutinizing all those CCTV footages collected from the place of occurrence and trying to identify those accused who were behind this killing.
Direct arrests with regards to this murder case that has happened till now, but multiple teams that have already been formed, and what is being said that the police and the authorities are on the lookout for these individuals who are behind the killing of Chandranath Rath. Rajesh, for the moment, thank you very much for joining in. Those are the updates from Bengal that we are picking up. Lots more lined up on the other side.